How to download digital free products from Martcost. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Scroll down and choose any free products for download. If you are not registered on Martcost, then click on sign up now. And if you already sign up on Martcost, then click on login now. After then, open login pop-up box. First, enter username. And second, enter your password. And after then click on login button. Finally you have login successful. Check here, product description and additional information. After then, click on download now button. This product successfully download in your PC or mobile. Join now, digital education Martcost.com. Go to store, www.martcost.com. And contact now, services@martcost.com.